up too with those clouds that were lingering about. It was pretty interesting.
Well, I missed the super moon, but man, I didn't miss that superstar to my day. I'm telling you, when I walked outside, I'm like, yo, let's do this. Seriously.
I know. It gives you that like refreshing feel.
Yeah.
You just want to go after it after that.
Absolutely.
So we love it and we want it to stay. Now we'll see if Mother Nature will listen to us on that. Folks, let's enjoy it though while it's here. Our live camera, those same clouds that were around when that supermoon broke out last night, they're still hanging with us, but there are some peaks of blue sky as we now go later into the afternoon. And this whole change up to the cooler air arriving, the clouds sticking around, it's all a result of the storm system from this weekend moving on off of the East Coast, and these north to northwesterly winds sticking with us as we go through the rest of the day today. It's been breezy at times with wind speeds as high as 15, even 20 miles an hour on occasion across the DMV. And as long as these northerly winds are sticking around, we're going to feel that cool, refreshing feel. How about our current temperatures? Again, it's August 20th, and we only have readings in the 60s, 63 Winchester, 66 Cumberland, locations to the west holding on to those slightly lower temperatures. But even as you go east, D.C., only 71 degrees at this hour. Typically in August, this time of year, we're talking about climbing up toward 90 more often than not around lunchtime, but that is just not the case here today. And more importantly, there is no humidity to speak of. Those dew point numbers tumbled down last night. And again, it just feels more refreshing as you step out the door. Now, here we have all of that cloud cover, the white on the map showing that it's pretty consistent, but we're getting a couple of breaks of sunshine closer to northeastern Maryland, down into parts of northern Virginia. These breaks of sun, they will be a little bit more common, more consistent as we head throughout the rest of the day because the air will continue to dry out more and more so. Nothing else is happening up and down the East Coast through the mid-Atlantic here, with high pressure continuing to build its way in from the north, down from Canada. So what does that mean for our temperatures? Well, if you thought this morning was a little bit chilly, just wait until tonight. This afternoon, though, we are going to see those peak readings, mid to upper 70s from D.C. over toward the shoreline of the Chesapeake Bay. Back off to the west, you're going to feel a little more chill in the air, upper 60s, low 70s from I-81 westward. Now, after this afternoon, we're going to see the winds lighten up a little bit. The clouds will break up even more, so clear skies, calm winds, and a little bit of that northerly flow continuing. Look at these low temperatures by early tomorrow morning. We're talking mid to upper 50s. You're likely to need a light jacket to kick off your Wednesday in and around the D.C. metro. And then if you go more west, we're talking 40s. This is more like September or October, not late August. So be ready for a very chilly start to your Wednesday. Sending the kids off to school in parts of the DMV, yeah, that jacket will be needed. But in classic fall-like fashion, by the time we get to the lunch hour tomorrow into the afternoon again, we'll warm up nicely. It's going to feel amazing. We'll have highs in the mid to upper 70s once again with little to no humidity to speak of. So warming up, but not too much. It's going to feel pretty comfortable out there indeed. Now, as we get later in the week, this dry, sunny stretch of weather is going to continue all the way into the weekend, but the longer it goes, the more we warm up. We'll be back into the 80s by Thursday and Friday, 90s making a return over the weekend.